we're on the dirt proper. We're just gonna, there's only pretty small forests by the look of them, so we're just gonna take tracks, see what we find, explore, no real plan. Well, we're in the pines, we've got to get out of the pines. We're doing so much track clearing. We're back in the bush, out of those pines. Nice country in here, it's really sparse. We're just descending into a gully right now, but we're going to try and look for somewhere for lunch. But yeah, rain's sort of on and off, just light, really weird. We lost a lot of time clearing trees, so. Yes, sir. That was sick. Oh, shit. It's still on.
Oh, it's alright.
Oh no, I'm gonna have to get the removal ones.
There goes your gun. He was trying.
No, don't do it. That's too tall. Tip down and fucking smack. Too tall.
Do you reckon that's too tall?
I reckon it's.
I reckon this is too
when
tall.
it ducks down and it compresses and goes back up, maybe.
It's right in the center. All right.
Is it recording? I don't know. Maybe we were amateurs.
That'd be a cool shot. Yes, sir.
Yes, buddy. Buddy, come here.
Oh, there's a big one here. No, you're right.
Which way are you gonna go?
I don't know. Could come down here, but it's whether you can stay out of the hole. It's a big hole there.
Is that? I need to go have a look.
Okay. Pretty gnarly bit.
Give you right. Press down.
I want you to go later. Need you to come later.
Straight. Straight. Other way. Other way. Other way. Yep. Now. Yep. Keep coming.
I'm going straight in there.
Slowly,
Keep
slowly.
going. Keep going.
Turn little.
Straight.
Little more. Drive, passenger. Passenger. You're alright, passenger. I've got the back, mate. Turn driver now. Driver now.
Yeah, just the screensaver.
Well, here you go.
Back end's coming down. You're alright. Back end will slide into it. There you go. You're good.
Not so much. There, there.
Whoop, driver. Your front end's about to come down. Your back end's going up. Back end.
That's cool. Woo! Some big bloody holes in that hole, in that. Wow. Cool, eh?
Going into it. Are you coming this way or that way? Okay, your back's coming up. Slowly, slowly. Keep going.
Yeah.
Driver.
Okay.
Horrible angle, isn't it?
Passenger, drive down. That's it. Harder driver, harder driver. It's alright. You're going to get in that rut. You're on the other side of the rut. Okay, now you can come up. You're in the same spot as Louis now. Right,
Back coming.
passenger.
Back's coming.
Back
Yep.
fine. Keep coming, passenger.
That's a bit freaky, that bit. Yeah, you're not wrong. It looked freaky from where I was.
Calm as a cucumber, mate.
On that line, hold that. That's good. A little bit more. Slowly.
Slow.
No, straight. Straight. Okay. Come up here. Slow. Stand
That's it. Good work.
That bar actually saved it. Heap of that.
Easy.
That bar actually.
Cool little descent. Dave, we need you. Dave, hello, Dave. Dave.
Let's knock out a sandwich. What do you got?
Calling it, Sambo's, time for lunch. Stewie's way down there somewhere.
Whoop whoop.
Davo's looking for goat tracks.
Pigs and goats.
Pigs and goats.
He was doing some education to me before.
Oh, he's telling you the different
science.
types of poo.
Science.
Oh, science.
The boars almost armorise themselves with this mud. Have a look at some of the pig hunting films and you'll see them, they've got mud all up around the shoulders. They get in there and get it all done. Can you smell it? There's a distinctive smell. You want to feel all this.
Yeah, all rubbed up against there.
Oh, yeah. This is where you come in.
This is just your setup.
Yeah.
Weight.
Yeah, absolutely.
Science. He's not that smart. There's no way. What do you got?
Nothing. I got
Oh,
bread and tuna.
same as me.
It's not a tuna.
Do you want some of me avo, tomato and cheese?
Oh, really? Is that what you got? Oh dear.
Yeah.
Ridgeline.
Ridgeline. Stewie's found a spot. Shall we come down? It's only 10 minutes.
Yeah, look, this is a nice little track, isn't it? So doing the drive ain't too bad.
Copy that. All right, we'll come down there and we'll have lunch down there with you. Long way.
You better wait for us.
Don't you go first, Louis. Get someone to go in front of you for that bog.
I'll go first then.
Oh yes, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at your front wheel. Alrighty.
That's a wheel. Actually, I should bring out my present.
Oh dear.
What the fuck is that?
Matter be. Oh dear. Polly stuck again.
That is not a present for anybody.
Tonight's the night, the night. Whoa.
Down to the axle. Here's gone.
Winch out. Winch out.
Are we coming back this way?
Apparently, yeah, it's a dead end. Winch in.
Who's next and getting talking that it's gonna be Louis.
I'm going around it. Somehow.
Round the corner, as he comes around, he plants it, and he's put it, he's actually given it a bootful, and he's made it past number 1, and he's flying past number 2! Well done, young Davo!
Thank you very much, everybody. I'd like to thank my friends.
Give me that thing back! I'll start singing again.
Oh. going down a dead end track, but it goes beyond where the dead end is on the map. So Stewie's gone a long way down. He's found a spot for lunch. Oh, look at my hand!
Fucking got it in my eye, you bastard.
That's what she said.
Right in your eye. Right where I wanted it. Zeerholz.
Yeah, I actually rate it.
Jizzed all over it.
Oh.
Oh no. Lucky it wasn't on the lens, it was on the bloody camera.
That got you fucking good.
Good.
Actually,
Look at this thing.
why don't we just do a bit of a... Why don't we do a bit of a squirter on?
Stewie.
What did you just try?
What do you just fucking think you're doing? Hey? What
We're
do you
going-
think you're doing?
What are we doing? You know what we're doing?
Hopefully going to the river. No, I have no idea. We're just still winging it, mate. We're
Yeah.
going down, hopefully, well, we don't know, Goats Trail? Goats, what is it? Goat something?
This is meant to be a dead end.
Yeah, it's meant to be a dead end. It's not much of a dead end, is it?
Not a dead end yet. But maybe we'll be able to get to the Abercrombie River from here.
It
Or maybe
might
not.
Still be a dead end just down there though. We'll
Yeah.
find out. See if we can get down the Abercrombie River. If we can camp down there, I reckon it'll be good.
Well, bit of further.
There you go.
Hurry up.
You're in.
Hurry up.
You're up there.
Yeah, the only one with a working winch and... Nah, everyone's but mine works. My winch is screwed. Dead.
That's funny. Hopefully we'll
Maybe
just
we
have a
fix
look at it when we get down there.
Take that box thing off and...
Like it works for a second, then it stops.
Yeah.
So could be just a bad connection. We'll have a look.
Let's see.
Jeez, what's that bloody thing there?
What? No, it's a freaking USB dongle. I need to mount a USB something there to do my phone. Because at the moment it goes over the steering wheel, down here and plugs in there. I've got 2 ports there
Yeah.
that I put in myself. Stole them from my brother-in-law's, Matty. He had some stuff at my house. And
Thanks, Maddie.
Thanks, Matty. That's yours, by the way. If you want it back.
You're not getting it.
Yeah.